Hello, thank you so much for being on time on class. Today we are going to see a little bit of future with going to. Let's start, guys. We're going to use going to plus base verb to talk about future plans. Remember, we have the past, the present, and future. This is for the future. Structure, we are going to use verb to be plus going to plus verb in the base form and the complement. In the next slide, we are going to see a fast review of the verb to. Remember the best forms of verb to be. For I, you use am, he, she, or it is, and we, you, and they are. As some examples we have, I am going to play soccer. She is going to study. We are going to eat pizza. When use going to, we can use it when we have a plan or when we have already decided to do something. Another two examples that we have with the contractions is verb to be. For example, the first one, they are going to watch a movie tonight, and the second one, I am going to visit my grandma. Now we are gonna to continue with some exercise, and the first one is gonna to see put the words in the correct order. You, going, are, study, and to, and a question mark. Think about it. Exactly, if you say, second example, he, going, is, play, to, soccer. Think about it. If you say he is finalist, we, going, are, to, eat, and pizza. Think about it. If you say we are going to eat, well, we finish this little lesson just to talk about a little and the future with going to. Today, if you want to talk something